Hello, this is Expressions, Equations, and Problem Solving. Writing Equations and Inequalities, Example 5. This example is about a basketball player, and it says he scored 351 points last year. Then it asks if the player plays 18 games this year, will an average of 20 points per game be enough to beat last year's total? The way to solve these is to get that information in your own words. This is how I did it. I said the player scored 351 points for the full season, and they're wondering if he averages 20 points for 18 games, will that be enough to beat last season? Well, thinking about this information and what it means to be for it to average 20 points for 18 games, and also wondering what the average is if it's 351 points, I see two ways of doing this problem. One is we can check out last season and find out what his average was last season. To do that, we would do 351 divided by 18 games. And this will give his average for last season. If you do this division, you'll see the answer is 17.55. So last year he averaged 17.55 to get this, 351. So if he averages 20 points this season, yes, he will beat last year's points. The other way to look at it is how many points is this going to give him? If he plays 18 games at 20 points per game, you could multiply 18 times the 20 points, and this is 360. And this also tells you, yes, he will beat the old record of 351 points.